Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to match the tangency of 2D splines. So first I will create some splines to work with. I will click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, release, and I will create another one, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, and for the last point I will just click. I will explain why later, and I will create a simple line, horizontal. Now let's say if I move this spline here, I want this curvature to continue smoothly with this one, and maybe I don't want these two to be part of the same object, but first to match the tangency I need both of them to be part of the same spline. So I will click this one and choose attach. Now I can go to Vertex, and you can see that if I right click, this is a Bezier, and this method will work with Bezier corner also. Now if it's not a Bezier, you can convert it to Bezier. So I will go here to Tangency and click copy, and it's important to choose which side. So I will click on this side here. Now I will choose this vertex, and in tangent I will click paste. Also it's important to choose the side, so I will choose this side. So now if I go to spline, select this spline and move it using vertex snap and put it here, you can see that now they flow smoothly. Also I will move it a little bit. Also if I click on this one again, in addition to control the tangency direction, I can click copy, and also okay, I will copy this one. Now I will choose this one, and before clicking paste I can choose this option here, paste length, paste, and as you can see now they have the same length of tangency. So this is also useful if you like to have the same length, the same strength for this fall off curvature. Now for this part here, I will change the color of this line. Okay, so for this line here, let's say I want this tangency here to also match this horizontal tangency here. So I can first I need to attach. Now I go to vertex. Here I need to convert this vertex to Bezier. So now I have this handle here. I can go to tangent again, click copy, click on this handle here. Now I will choose this one, right click. Remember I didn't drag here, so I can right click and choose Bezier. Now because I didn't drag, I will have only one handle here. So here I will click paste, and I click here. So as you can see, I have a horizontal tangency, but it is flipped. So this is why I did this scenario here. So maybe you can find, maybe you will find yourself in this situation. So I can select this, right click, rotate, and in the Z I can put 180, press enter. So now I can, if I move this spline here, you can see also that they both flow smoothly. Now, maybe I don't want these three to be part of the same object. I can go here, select the first spline, and choose detach, and remember these should be unchecked. So I will call it L1. I will choose the second spline, detach, L2. Now I have three objects, as you can see. If I apply an extrude modifier to three of them, you can see that now, since I selected three of them, the extrude is an instance, but I can click here to make it unique. Anyway, you can see that the three objects, they flow smoothly. Okay, before we go, you can also choose to have a Bezier corner instead of Bezier, where you can control both sides of the handles separately. You can have a different direction for each one of them, but you can use the same logic. We don't need to do it here. You can practice on it. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you do, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Thank you.